should know that how to speak, that our body
Yes.
language matters.
Yes.
Expression, that how can we express. Suppose there are some people like that, they do not give chance to speak others, they speak
Yes.
like that. It should be not in that communication skills. If we know
Yes.
that communication skills, so first we will give chance to that person speak. We are getting that thought, then we can express our thought. If we are not getting
Yes.
that thought, how can we speak? How can we
Yes.
explain that what we will get? Yes, it is a
Yes.
main part.
You-
And suppose,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
okay, so first of all, good afternoon. How are you? How was your morning?
It's a good evening.
Okay, now good
Yeah.
evening. We cannot say good evening. After 6 o'clock, we can say it looks good.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So good afternoon to
So,
you as well. How are you?
okay. So how I am fit as a fiddle nowadays. I'm doing practice, and I am going to try to make solo videos also.
Yes, I watched that video and I also commented there. And your videos are very informative as well to helpful
You know that
everyone.
if suppose we are focusing on only conversation, we have to instate that we have to speak that without thinking. But for
Yes.
that, like a solo videos, we prepare first, and we can get new words also, and we can get time. We will practice
Yes.
1 time, 2 time, 3 time, then we can be perfect.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
You are
it is.
right.
You can
Yes.
also try
Yes, I
like
will.
a solo videos.
I was thinking about this, but this time I'm only focusing on a conversation. But yes, definitely after 2 or 3 days, I will try to make solo video as well.
You know
Yeah.
that if we are focusing only in conversation, we can't be fluent.
Yes, you are right.
We can get confidence. We can feel. We can remove our hesitation, like
Yes.
a fear.
Yes.
But for that time, before making conversation, I was speaking very well alone.
Yes.
That I saw now after making conversation, I was looking that I was not able to speak front of camera. So in solo videos, yes,
Yes.
it was happening with me because
Yes.
I got habitual with conversation.
Yes, because it's a very long process you have done. But before conversation, you have also uploaded like solo videos. You have uploaded now. Yes,
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
but
That
this
time,
time
I
you
had
have
no
speak.
idea.
Yes,
I had no idea how should I speak, and my body language. I had no idea that time. I should speak loud or little bit slow. I had no idea that time because
yes,
it was my initial time.
yes. And even when I'm taking sessions, so I just try to speak. But when I make solo video, like short video, so that time I feel like what I say alone.
Yes, yes. But first, what can you do? First, you have to make a script. What do you have to speak?
Yes,
This is a good
yes,
way.
yes.
Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss that how can we improve communication skills and what is communication skills.
Okay.
Okay, are you agree with that?
Yes, yes, I
Okay,
agree
so
with
how
that.
can we improve? What is communication skills? How can we improve English communication skills like that?
Okay, so in my opinion, communication skill is a skill that we are speaking to another person. Okay, and we communicate each other, and we expressing our thought to another person. So this is the communication skill. But how we can improve our speaking skill? So communication skill. So firstly, we have to try speak alone at home, right? And then we try to connect another different peoples. Yes,
Yes,
this
yes.
is my way of point
Communication
of view.
skills now.
Yes,
Yes, yes. It is not like that. We should know that how to speak. That our body
yes,
language matters.
yes,
Expression, that how can we express. Suppose there are some people like that, they do not give chance to speak others. They speak
yes,
like that. It should be not in that communication skills. If we know
yes,
that communication skills, so first we will give chance to that person speak. We are getting that thought, then we can express our thought. If we are not getting
yes,
that thought, how can we speak? How can we
yes,
explain that what we will get? Yes, it is a
yes,
main part. And suppose, and that we should not sit like that. In
Yes.
body language, some people are like that. They speak like that. Our
Yes.
hand gesture are more important in that.
Yes, you are right. Actually, even uh, in my side also it happens with me. If anyone speak with me, so I just try to speak without his means complete his sentence. I try to speak.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
it happens with us. If you know that we are doing practice, so it happens that we speak more. And some people, that time,
yes.
I
If
was
some
not
thought
speaking very well. Yes, yes,
now
yes.
you are
You know,
yes, yes,
yes, that time, I was not able to speak more. And that time, what happened with me, that a person is speaking in front of me, that is speaking more. I'm not getting time for speaking. It was
yes,
happening, and that person should think, that is new for you. We should give more time for that person.
yes, yes. You are right.
Yes,
And
it
what
is.
is happening with me, if you asking any questions with me, and if I know about that question, you mean a lot of answer I have, so I just speak loudly and very continuously, so it
Yes, yes.
happens.
And it
Yes,
should be like that in communication skill. That should be like our like pitch of voice. That should be not too
yes,
loud and not too slow. Some people speak very slowly. That person is not getting what is that speaking.
yes, yes, you are right.
Yes. So we have to
Yes,
speak medium, not too much loud. That person is thinking that is like we are not, that will not take interest in you.
yes,
And
yes,
if we are talking, so there
yes,
should be smile on our face. First
yes, yes,
expression is like that.
yes.
If
Yeah.
you are
You are.
speaking like you are very silent and there is no smile, so that person will not take interest in you. That will not talk with you.
And also they don't likely means comfortable, like what I say, if I say anything, so he or she become angry.
Yes,
Right.
yes, and is yes, yes, and if you know that if our body language is like this, so it is a good, that person will think your behavior is good, and you will do like this. So it is not good. It will show that you have attitude.
Yes, and
Yes.
I saw one sir has video. I don't mention, I don't say his name, but yeah, he talk like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. So like it looks
Yes,
like
and
he
some
has
people have
skills.
habit. Some people have habit as well. They don't
Yes,
have
yes.
attitude, but they have habit to do like this.
Yes, but they have to change these things because this is not good. you know.
Yes, yes. That person will think that have attitude and they are not talking good. They
And
don't
also
know
some people,
communication skills.
you some people they big YouTubers they some beginners they means क्या बोलेंगे उसको उसकी तरह क्या करते हैं
Yes, yes,
दिखावा
you
करते
can say show up, show off.
हैं. Yes, some people they show off like they are doing extra thing, but this is not good. Yes.
Yes, yes. And you know that suppose communication skill like that also, if suppose we are going on a stage, we are going to give any speech, that time we are not able to speak. So
Yes.
our thought are waste just. We are not able to speak, that we don't know communication skills. We have to
Yes.
not think there are public. We have to give a speech, better speech. They will appreciate you.
Yes, and also some people copy them, right? So don't copy because you have own voice, you have own, attitude. So don't copy them because if we
Yes,
speak
yes, yes.
with our voice, so it's very comfortable for us. Yes,
Yes, yes. And we should not like a copy, so we can listen to others. By listening, we get.
yes,
It is
yes,
not copy that we listen to British. We get pronunciation, everything we get.
yes, yes,
By listening, suppose we copy to our parents. We
yes,
imitate. By imitating, we learned that Hindi language.
yes, yes. You are
हिंदी को
right.
भी तो हमने like observe करके सीखा है like that. Yes,
Yes,
you
yes,
can say सुन के ऑब्जर्व करके. So can't English we like some people there is like a one girl. She learnt English like by listening.
Yes.
She can speak is like a French and many types English. She can speak by
I
listening
think
only.
yes, I know her girl.
Her
I
name
know.
is like what is her name? I'm forgetting now this time.
I also think that's why
It
I'm
is
saying
not
that
coming
I
in my
know.
mind.
Yes.
And she was just only
Yes.
14 years.
Yes.
Her speaking way, body language, and she gives the tuition to I think IAS.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes. And
student.
online classes, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes. I have seen her channel, and I think ja, as I am not getting instant name. Yes, yes.
Even what happened with me if I copy to another person that if I like you, so like you are talking of way what you're talking way. So if I try to copy, so I just forget what I am saying.
यस यस तो कॉपी करना गलत नहीं है अगर गलत चीज को कॉपी करना गलत है
गलत
if
है.
we are copying right thing it is good
Yes, you
we
are
are
right.
learning knowledge we are getting knowledge
Yes.
yes so suppose some people
Yes.
like that they copy to others there are many people they copies to actors also
Yes.
they
Yes.
should in this thing they should not copy they have their own quality they have other quality so we should
Yes.
not that compare quality
Yes. We just have to polish our quality, what we have. Yes.
yes
Yes.
whatever we have learned and we have to like we have to become fluent we our desire is like that
Yes.
now we are learners so we our desire is like a learning english only
Yes. Learning.
focusing on that
Yes. Yes. And
nowadays
definitely.
as you can see
Yes.
there
Yes.
are
Go ahead.
many housewives and
Yes.
they are like just making their youtube channel and they are just making conversation videos and nowadays you know
Yes.
what is happening that we are not getting too much views because like competition is running there in
Yes.
every
Yes.
field
Each
yes
and every competition is competition.
we have to
Yes.
give our best we have to give
Yes.
our best it is that
Yes.
point we have to polish ourselves
Yes. Right.
yes
Yes.
okay so how do you manage with children and your
I'm
baby lives silent
Yes, they never live silently. Each and every time they making noise and some disturbance. And if if I tell you that I want to make conversation to my kids, like I'm saying I'm taking conversation, they're bothering all the time.
you
Yes.
know that time what happened if my daughter is wake uping and she is playing whenever she is sitting on bed and that time I am making converse she will speak between in between
Okay. Yes,
she is
yes.
only in 11 months and that time I say that don't to speak in between so she
Yes.
laughs
Yes.
she, she
Actually,
thinks
my
that
son is
if mama is speaking I should also speak she is speaking then I will speak
Yes, and my kids,
yes yes
what is they're doing? Like I'm taking conversation. They came to camera in front of camera and they sit on.
front of camera I
Yes,
also, you know, when she wakes up and I am showing her face, she will laugh to other, and she will laugh and she will looks to other.
yes. So
Yes,
your
it is.
are you doing anything extra for your means improving your communication skills? Are you doing anything extra?
Nowadays, I am not doing more because I'm not getting more time
Yes.
because of her.
Hmm.
And I have seen one person there
Yes.
on their YouTube, English with Jadoo. Have you seen that?
No, no, no. Javed, no,
There
no,
is a
no.
one boy, Jadoo.
No, 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 no.
So that I saw their channel, you know, that he is speaking only that he is keeping one title only
Okay.
on whole videos and he speaks very fluent. He has only done seventh.
I think her face color was dull, like dark.
Yes, yes, yes. He
Yes,
is, I think, from village.
yes, yes. I saw. Yes,
Yes, yes.
I
I
saw.
was checking that every video has same title.
Same title, and her channel got more views, right?
And if suppose someone is making video with that person and that is uploading, that is also getting views because of
Yes,
him.
yes. And I also send him mail that I want to make conversation with you, and he suddenly reply me that yes, we can. But I have some foundation because I'm not making conversation with mail. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
That time I told to someone that I want to make conversation with you. She is calling me.
Oh.
So I will talk with her now. Okay, after 2 minutes, I will talk with her.
Bye bye.
I told you yesterday that I want to make conversation with you. She will
Okay.
think that, yes.
Okay. So
Okay,
no problem.
so I enjoyed this session very much. It was too interesting. Hmm?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
tomorrow I will make another session with you. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, bye
Bye.
bye. It was a nice conversation with you.
Same
Bye.
here, dear.